Even in the 15th century, Europe still had no rice at all, and it is only slowly coming to light that the cuisines which are claimed to be the world's very best today are actually just a kind of project. Research and proven data from the history of world cuisine show that the true ancestor of pasta is actually erişte. What is erişte? Erişte is one of the main food sources for Turks and is also a staple of winter preparations. While winter preparations might not have a place in many cultures, in our culture and in Turkish nomadic culture, various meats and vegetables dried in summer's abundance, stored grain and provision groups, and erişte, made with plenty of eggs for nutritional value, were dried and, according to the standards of those days, preserved. During the harsh and unforgiving conditions of winter, Turkish tribes, communities, or principalities gained significant advantages from these winter preparations, just as they still do today. Anatolia is the memory of the world. Whoever holds the key to Anatolia also holds the key to the world. And especially with the ongoing excavations taking place in Anatolia over the coming years, it is very likely that many of today's common misconceptions will eventually be overturned, leaving people truly stunned by the remarkable results of future archaeological discoveries. And they will see the truth, the reality, the history, the deep roots, and the richness of Turkish culinary culture revealed to the world once again. Some will be happy while others will be upset. But let me emphasize this. These artificial projects, like the French and Spanish schools and the tire brand behind them, are just examples. These project cuisines, which still sustain their existence through standards and impositions, such as maintaining and upholding their own unique culinary cultures, traditions, and practices, all under the recognizable and sometimes even prestigious name of foreign food brands, as well as the particular standards and requirements they themselves deem appropriate and necessary, will, in the not-too-distant future, they'll be doomed to disappear within 30 or 40 years. When we look at the world in general, with gastro-nationalism, culinary nationalism, and a sense of belonging, every culture is slowly bringing its hidden treasures to light. And, with today's technology, in this age of social networks, the internet and computers, where information travels from one end of the world to the other in mere seconds, hiding the truth is simply not possible anymore, especially when compared to the past. The habit of eating cheese after a meat dish in France and some other countries today is actually a tradition that existed in Van centuries ago. And even today in Van, there's a habit of eating cheese after a meal instead of dessert. I mean, you still eat dessert, but there is a habit of eating cheese. Why was this done? From a health perspective or a nutritional standpoint, or simply as a habit? This is a matter that needs to be looked into by today's health professionals. The origin of the habit of eating cheese after a meal in French culinary culture is actually Van. I can officially state that this habit existed in the culinary culture of Van centuries ago.